back to back. And you know, we're gonna talk about it now. I don't care what y'all want. This ain't y'all vlog, it's mine. And yes, mine, I do get this snatch. Feel me? Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing good with a T. Now let me stop being gay. It's been 2 days since my last vlog, and we are still snowed in. We are still battling polar bliss, or whatever it's called, like an Arctic bliss, whatever you want to call it. We still in it. School has been canceled today. It is now Tuesday, and school has been canceled once again. The kids have virtual school, and I probably shouldn't be talking this loud because my son is right there in the room having class. But anyway, so if I talk a little low, it's because my son is back there in class. So I just wanted to, anyway, what you seen in the clip before was me having breakfast. Now I wanted to clarify that I usually do 1 piece of toast, not 2, but every now and then I do 2 pieces of toast. But yeah, that's my usual breakfast. And instead of bacon, I usually, y'all, why can't I say that word? It's so simple, but I cannot say it. I usually have a sausage instead of bacon, and I usually have like just your regular pork mixed sausage, but I'm going to start eating chicken or turkey sausage just to, you know, be a little more conscious of what I'm eating and putting it to my body and a little more healthy. And actually I'm thinking about starting to make like breakfast sausages from scratch, because like I just want to be like one of those super healthy people that is only when it comes to ground beef, I only buy like grass-fed ground beef. So I'm already like, I don't want to say transitioning because I don't like that word, but I'm already like getting into that. So yeah, so putting more veggies in my food, that's something I've been doing, but I want to like make sure I'm doing that more often, and make sure I'm doing that probably almost every time I make something to eat. I want to have like a salad or a veggie on the side. But as a single mom with not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 kids, and doing it on my own, like it's difficult to like cut up vegetables all the time, and it's not always the best to buy them already chopped or pre-chopped, because they put like preservatives and stuff in there, and you know that's just not great, not healthy. So anyway, I'm trying to do better with my diet. Like my breakfast, no veggies at all. Like I'm trying to get out of that. And then the pork bacon, like yeah, I'm gonna always allow myself like to a little splurge, but I just don't want to make a habit of like eating pork all the time, or like just bad meat, processed food and all that. So what we have going on today is, I don't know, so y'all just gonna have to go with the flow. I'll put little clips in the intro just so y'all can see. I thought he had on uniform. I was about to say, babe, it's not that deep, but just so y'all can get an idea of what's going on in this vlog. Now it's something I don't want to talk to y'all about. I don't know if I should talk about it now or later, because I know y'all don't want to see a lot of talking back to back. And you know, we're going to talk about it now. I don't care what y'all want. This ain't y'all vlog, it's mine. So, y'all, like, for months, like, my baby is now 5 months. And ever since before I hit her, like, I'm going to say when I was 8 months, I stopped working out. And I wasn't even working out consistently then. I haven't been working out consistently since my 5-month-old, since I was 6 months pregnant with her. Then like the 7th month, I kind of stopped. Then the 8th month, I started back up, but I wasn't able to be consistent. I no longer had childcare after like 8 months, during the 8th month. So that's why I stopped working out for my 8th month of my last pregnancy. And you all, I haven't seen a gym in 5 months, like 6 months, because like I said, the 8th month is, yeah. But anyway, y'all, I don't know about y'all. I don't know if y'all consistently work out. I don't know if y'all have ever worked out. But for me, I started going to the gym in like 2009 or 2008 or 2009. Probably the end of 2008, after I had my firstborn child, who's now 15. But anyway, so 15 years ago. And ever since, y'all, the enemy has been like working against me. Like I had different type of reasons why I couldn't just stay consistent and just continue to just work out over the years. I actually went viral here on YouTube getting a bigger butt video, and it was working, because if it wasn't working, I wouldn't went viral. And if you check the comments, I'll probably link that video down below. If you check the comments, you will see a lot of people saying your workouts work and all of that. And yeah, so it definitely worked it. And I had a lot of DMs to get their butts bigger. However, y'all, I have to do an updated one because it's new workouts that came out, new workouts that I discovered and tried and that actually worked. So your girl, no. Yeah, so I got the ones, so you know, we got the answers right here. And yeah, some of it is from my mama, I ain't gonna lie. But I worked hard on these buns too. So all of it isn't from my mom, if you get what I'm saying. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all the body, my full body in a minute. But y'all, anyway, I had different reasons why I wasn't able to be 15 years in this game, you know? So I've been, over the course of 15 years, I've been homeless like twice. I've been put out, I'm gonna be honest, put out of places because I had like family living with me. And yeah, it's just, I ain't gonna get all in details right now. Like, I don't care about telling my story. I won't even mention it if I did care, because only God could judge me. So I can care less about your opinion. But anyway, I just don't want to ramble on and go left when I'm trying to go right. So anyway, I had those type of situations, loss of child care so many times over the years. And here I go to, I still have to pay out of pocket. I have to pay like half because it's like upscale. And you know, for me, it's worth it. Like, even though it's a struggle to pay it, like, it's worth it because my kids like is in a safe, familiar environment, and they're not too far from where I work, which is in the bougie areas. On and off over the years, I've been studying having kids. Let's take some accountability. So yeah, I've been studying having kids, and because I don't believe, you know, we ain't gonna go. But yeah, I've been studying having kids, and childcare has been up, down, up, down, up, down, on, off, on, off, on, off. So childcare has gotten really strict, and you know, like any little thing they cutting you off and all that. So because of those reasons, and then I had periods where like when I was living with my two middle kids, when I was living with their father, or their father was living with me. Let's clarify that he was living with me. I was dependent on him for childcare, and he was hating so hard, y'all. I broke up with him and I moved by the time we had our second child. When I was 8 months pregnant with that child. Our second child, which is my third. But with our first child, he was hating, y'all. He was hating so hard. Like, he would let me take all day at the grocery store because, you know, I had to go like probably 15 minutes away to bougie area because I was living in not so bougie area. But yeah, but anyway, I could take all day at the grocery store and all that. But once he found out I was going to the gym, now mind you, I already looked good. Cause genetics. No, I'm just playing. But I already looked good or whatever. But I guess he was intimidated about me looking even better, having more stamina. I don't know. But the old man, I don't know. But the old man was hating. Yeah, y'all. He's older. He's in his 50s, mid 50s or something like that. But anyway, back then he was 40 something. He still was old to me because I was in my 20s. So I'm in my early to mid 30s right now. But anyway, so he was hating, so I couldn't work out around that time because he'll call, and if I don't answer or he found out that I'm at the gym, he'll be rushing like, I gotta go to work. He's self-employed, so he can work at any time. But whenever he found out I was in the gym, all of a sudden he has to hurry up and rush and be on the way. This person waiting on him, that person waiting on him. But anyway, that's just like a small description of what I've been through over the course of 15 years. But it's been a lot more. Like, the enemy be just throwing the curveballs. But anyway, the enemy has always used different people in different circumstances, and even the system, the government system, cutting me off and all that to get in the way of me being great. And that's why I haven't been great as of yet, and haven't been able to work out consistently. So I brought all this up to say, when I'm able to like work out on a consistent basis, like a everyday basis, or at least 4 times a week, I'm like a much better person. Like, y'all, I'm a better mom. I'm already a good mom, but I'm like a great mom whenever I'm able to work out and keep up with them and have the energy to keep up with them as well as other tasks. And I'm just way better. I'm a way better person. Like, I can think clearly and more better. And the way I'm stumbling over my words right now, like, it wouldn't be this much if I was working out consistently. And yeah, so, you know, I can talk fast all that. Like, I'm just a much better person with not only when I'm working out, but when I'm more scheduled as well. Like, when I have more of a scheduled life, not just all over the place. But one thing I have to have is like a routine, and that includes working out in order to be the best me. And I have to have God first and foremost. God, and then the gym. God, and then the gym to be the best me. And of course, you know, our kids make us the best us too. Because if I ain't had no kids, I would be probably on 600-pound life, just laying on the couch or in bed all the time, probably with a bed, maybe even a hospital bed in the front room, just laying around all day, like, just don't have no drive to do nothing, because who's depending on me? Nobody. But not saying that you people with kids should be like that. Please don't be like that. This is just how the lazy bones that's in my family. Like, we have a lazy gene in our family and a fat gene as well. But let me wrap this up because little mama's waking up. She's another reason why I don't get a lot done. But anyway, so she just wakes up crying for no apparent reason. Just because, oh, well, hi, mom, where you at? And I'm right here. I know she hear me. But yeah, y'all, I just been going through a lot, and my body has even been going through a lot. But I try to do a little something at home. So my workouts that I'm going to give you all to build your body and build your butt is going to be efficient, and you're going to see, like, I would look way worse if I wasn't doing things at home. And it's really hard to be active in any capacity, like even cleaning up or organizing any of that, because my baby is always crying. She always wants me to hold her, and I don't like walking around and holding her. I'm usually on that couch holding her, which, you know, makes it so I'm living a very sedentary lifestyle, which is the opposite of what I want. But anyway, because of childcare issues, and I do have smaller children, I'm not able to work out right now, so I'm not my best me. So I hope you all could bear with me until I become a better me or the best me. But yeah, I'm gonna try to keep my mood and all that up, and yeah, and give y'all some entertainment. But just know it only gets better. Like when your girl gets a routine, and I get up out this house and I get in my truck and get in motion, because it just be sitting there collecting dust. I bought it out like maybe 3 months ago, like in October or November. I can't remember which one. And I get these streaks. No, I'm just kidding. But no, when I get out about, y'all gonna love it, okay? Because your girl has a life. It just been on pause. But anyway, so right now it will probably be a lot of house content, but you know, very soon I get approved for childcare, so we're gonna be out here. We're gonna be out here. Yeah, so I just gotta call him today. But anyway, y'all, it's gonna get more interesting. I've been blabbing on for like almost 20 minutes, but yeah, I just wanted to say that. And I'm gonna show y'all my body, like it's not at its best, so keep your expectations low. But yeah, see, I just had a kid, so I definitely accumulated a nice little pouch here that I don't like. And yes, I do have like a, you know, smaller in this area, but I haven't been doing any core workout, so you know, it'll be good to get in the gym and get this snatched and get it even more snatched. Get a nice little six-pack going on, which don't take a lot for me. Like, some people have to get really small in order to get a six-pack, but not me. Like, I can lose probably 20 to at the most 50 pounds and I will have a six-pack. Yeah, so, and I will have to do core workouts, but I will have a six-pack at that big size. Like, most people can't do that, but yeah. So, front view, side view. Y'all see that? Sedentary lifestyle. Other side. Yeah, that's what he doing. It don't do much. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, your girl gonna be looking like Bernice Bagos and Lil Bit. Now let me stop. I don't like comparing myself to nobody. I want to look like me and just me. But however, if I do turn out look like Bernice Bagos, she ain't gonna know how to act. No, I'm just playing out. But yeah, I doubt if I look that good, because I don't plan on getting surgery, at least not no time soon. But yeah, it's gonna be the body I do. But yeah, let me get the mamas. Hey, pretty mama. Hey, mama. Y'all, let me show y'all one of the workouts I've been doing. Middle son, that's supposed to be in class right now.
Alone, so I can go back and take like kind of a long time.
So y'all, this is one of my favorite in the house moms workouts. You like it? So I do those, so my arms should be looking good, but they're not. Side angle, and it makes it even better when you do this, because you get a reward after each set, or I don't know. Y'all see that? Like, when I sit down, it's giving Michelin tired. That's why I'm trying to get in the gym, because I already know what to do. I just need to do it. Okay, I'm gonna holler at y'all later.
I can't give it tonight, and I was your best friend, and now I'm just losing all of my senses, and I just can't all I really wanna do is know I won't play no games.
And macaroni.
It looks like this stuff. Mama, could you show me? Could you show the mine? I like sound.
Okay, y'all. I had a lot more to do and say, but I'm probably gonna close out this vlog right now, just because we're about to eat and I got some editing to do. The video from yesterday is uploading, and yeah, y'all, if this content looks different, I'm sorry, like the end of the video versus the beginning. It's because my device that I was recording off of before ran out of space, and now I'm recording off the sheet camera. So yeah, if it changed, I'm sorry. But yeah, definitely not 4K. It's not 4K at all, but we're gonna see how it look, because it look pretty good on this monitor. So we're gonna see how it look. Okay, because we might stick with this, because I ain't got time for that other device. Like, I'll let y'all later. Good night.